Hi, here's what I hope is a quick video to fill in a gap we didn't get to in class today. So, if I have this fact, a times b equals 0, I can conclude something. I'll give you a moment to think. That was a moment. What I conclude is that either a is 0 or b equals 0. Or both. That's a possibility too. Okay, but one of them is definitely 0. So, how does that help me? If I have an equation like this and I want to solve it, I'm going to solve it this way. I'm going to factor it just like we did. So here's me working through in my brain. I see that it's got to be 3x into x equals 0. I need a negative 2 here and a negative 8, so these are going to be plus or minus. I just don't know which. And I'm thinking if I put a 3 here, that's going to give me a 9. I'm going to have trouble getting back to 2, so maybe I'll put a 4 here, and that gives me a 12. So that's not going to work. But maybe if I put a 4 here, I see 4, and then if I put a 2 here, that's 6. And I want the bigger one to be negative. So 2 times 3, that's going to give me negative 6x and 4x. So that's a negative 2x. So 3x squared minus 6x plus 4x is a negative 2x minus 8. Okay, that was probably not helpful at all. But here's what I do now, is I know that since this times that equals 0, I know either 3x minus 4 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. So I solve two little equations. I know that 3x equals 4, or x equals 4/3, or x minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 2. Right? So these are my two solutions to this equation. Okay, so that's just applying what we did to solve a quadratic equation. That's how we do it. We set it equal to 0, we factor, and then we set each factor equal to 0, and those are our solutions. And that's all I have to say about that.